Unboxing Stapon Android head unit for Suzuki Dzire 2024. Visual diagram. RCA video output, SIM tray, audio, removable plastic tools, power harness, 4G antenna, Stapon 9-inch Android head unit for your Dzire. Inspect be there's some damage. Okay, let's begin remove this panel using the plastic removal tools. Remove this to screws. Gently pull out the stock head unit. Remove this tops frame and connect it to your new Android head unit frame. Gently and slowly disconnect all the connection at the back. Connect the power harness. Connect this cooling fan power to your power harness. This is the power for your reverse camera. Connect it to the red wire. Now connect your to USB extension for grams, antenna, and GPS. I hide my USB extension and SIM tray in the compartment box or glove box. Make sure all connections are the same with the visual diagram manual. All connectors are plug-and-play type. Carefully connect back the new head unit. Don't forget you must first transfer the old top frame in your new head unit frame. Now let's test the new Android head unit.
Tayo ng music. Ayun. Okay yung audio. Gumagana yung audio.
This is where I place my 4G antenna and GPS. The only missing parts missing to complete the installation is the canvas for steering wheel control.
We don't talk anymore like we used to.